Nice and lovely. Welcome back, guys. As I can see, we got a lovely chicken recipe. I got 2, 4, roughly probably about 5 or 6 pieces of chicken, leg and thigh. We're gonna do some oven jerk, and I'm gonna show you how to marinate the jerk chicken today. Alright? I get a request, someone wanna see how I do my oven jerk chicken recipe, so I say no, don't worry, I can do it again, no problem. First of all, what you need to do is to get some fresh thyme. This is fresh thyme. You can either cut it up or break it up and put it straight on it, just like this. I'm gonna use everything, even the pieces stick right here. There's flavor in this little piece right here, man. Half of a white onion. I just cut up my onion really chunky. And some spring onion. Cup of clove of garlic. Basically, you can use whatever oil you like to use. I'm gonna use some vegetable oil, roughly 2 tablespoons. Next thing, we're gonna put a teaspoon of everyday season. And a teaspoon of all-purpose season. This is just garlic, ginger, and pimento season. Just a little pinch, not too much. And a pinch of chicken season. One, 2 teaspoons of paprika. And 1 teaspoon of jerk season. That's it. Nice and lovely. Put on the gloves on here and marinate it. Be careful of the spice, so make sure you use gloves. Marinate your chicken just like this, guys. Rub it up and get in all of those flavor inside of it. The jerk season, you can get that at local shop to buy, or anywhere on the high street, or if you're at the big supermarket, you can just pop on the shelf on the Caribbean section and get a Jamaican jerk season. Alright, so this is just easy and simple. This is just a simple little oven baked chicken. You can just bake this in your oven, as you can see. Or the best thing is to marinate it and put it down for it to soak for a nice good 24 hours. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So now I'm gonna put down that for 24 hours and I'm gonna make it soak. You can put it in your fridge or in your freezer if you want to freeze it and use it even 2 weeks time. Alright, enjoy the recipe, and this is just a request for oven jerk chicken. Alright, if you want to make it spicy, add more jerk seasoning. And as you can see, the color is the paprika. The paprika do give it a nice lovely color. So as I say right here, guys, got a lot of season, and marinate it and put it down for 24 hours and make it soak before you do anything else. Alright, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show.